Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you top 5 free Telegram airdrops which you can join, and they will be listing on September or October. So make sure you jump in right in. So I'm going to show you a few ones. The first one would be cats. This is the game which you can play and get some cats. The most cats you will get by inviting your friends. You can complete here some daily tasks and some tasks overall. The cat's listing date is 16th of September, so don't miss out on claiming your cat's airdrop. Make sure you do that. Another one would be Catizen, so you can go ahead and join it. Now you want to go ahead and play, launch it. You can go ahead and play here some games and connect the cats and get just like so. So that's pretty much it, guys. You can invite friends here too, and also log in for airdrop to Bombi, Manila, and so on and so forth. Some basic tasks, daily tasks you can complete and get some Catizen coins. The listing date is 20th of September. Now, another one would be a Bloom. So again, the same. Let's go ahead and launch it. You can also earn some coins here. Now, they ask you to enter the nickname. Let's do that. Again, you will log in daily and you will get your rewards. And also you can go ahead and start farming and make the Bloom money like so, invite friends. And that's pretty much it. Bloom listing date on Binance will be on 30th of September, as you can see here. So make sure you go ahead and join. Now the fourth one would be W coin. And again, you need to start here and start playing, launch this mini app, and earn some V coins. So you will have a lot of tasks here. So for example, join some communities, invite free friends. So basically, when you invite friends, you will get the most coins. And that's about about the tasks. The listing date is September 15th, so it's in a few days. Make sure to join it. And the last one would be MemeFi. Again, join it through Telegram. You will also get some referral bonuses, just like so. And now you can go ahead and play. Again, you can earn here and get a lot of coins by doing all of these tasks. You can go ahead and check them out. Just watching YouTube videos, you will get like a 500,000 of the coins. And of course, by inviting friends. So if you would invite friends, as you can see, you get some level, and that's how much of the energy you will get. MemeFi airdrop date will be October 9. And that's pretty much it. They don't have a listing date, I believe, yet, but we will see. And if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.